kind of get overwhelmed, but just take it back to how beautiful it is up here. So what's going on? It's Nova, Kamikaze Kane. I'm out here on my acreage, my 2.67 acres. Only thing I got out here is a shipping container. Trying to figure out what we're gonna do with this. That is in 2021. Paid off. Just trying to figure out what to do. Low on funds, but this is the dream out here. So this is the inside of the shipping container. I'm not sure when this burnt down, but there was a big fire up here, and it's pretty roached out. We cleared it out completely. It was just filled all the way from all 40 feet. It just filled up. I mean, I got everything out. I got a picture, old picture of us cleaning it out. All the junk that was in here. There's couches and house stuff with the guy that lived here before. I just always wondered if there was anything I could do with it. Can you use this shipping container? Do you have to clean? How do you clean it? And is it still okay? I don't know. I'd like to cut that shipping container in half. Put it up higher on my property. The previous owner did a little work, land work up here. It'd be great to, like I said, use different levels of it for different things. So right up here, there's a little access route right here. Kind of goes up behind the shipping container. And carve a little bit more of this out. Put half this way and half that way. And be able to have a shop, office area, tool shed. Just put our stuff. I mean, it'd be a nice view up here too. A little overlook. If you guys got any ideas, any thoughts, leave me a message, comment. My goal for this year is to actually start getting up here and doing some work again. Like I said, we did do things. Cleaned out that shipping container. We cut down a bunch of trees. Did a lot of removal of these bushes down in the front section. Yeah, I'd like to keep going. I'd like to get there. I'd like to get up here. Right about here, just a 25 by 30 structure, 2-car garage. Maybe have it lower level, kind of dug in a little back. Second layer, kind of flush. Build it in a little bit, pack it in with some dirt. Neighbors did that on their spot. Just kind of make a little flatter area back there. Just have a little yard for my little one.